Hey everybody, what's going on? So I am going to perform kind of a rough take, if you will, a piece titled Ode to Vivian by Patrick Watson. He's a composer based out of Canada and also performs a lot in Paris. I'll leave a link of his music, so if you want to check him out, that's great. It's really important to support new composers. And this piece I would say is intermediate level because it's pretty rhythmic and jumpy. But it's a beautiful piece. Let me know if you like it. It's not long, so if you could listen to the end, that would be great. Thank you.